Grand Canyon Railway is a little bit of a step back in time. The train ride prepares you for what you're going to experience up in the canyon, puts you back into history.
We do a 63-mile journey from Williams to the Grand Canyon. It takes about 2 hours and 15 minutes to get up here. You have the mountains, the pine trees, then we come down into the plateau, high desert region, and then we finally come back up into the pine trees and then into the canyon country. Sometimes we have some other characters, these hooligans that might be stopping the train and trying to rob us. Hopefully that don't happen today, but we'll see.
There's a group up here called the Cataract Creek Gang. Very devious group they are. They try to stop the train every day and get on it and rob these folks. We start out in the morning with a little conversation down at the depot between myself and the Cataract Creek Gang, trying to keep them from robbing the train. They've done everything you can think of to get that train to stop.
We take care of all of the trains and locomotives that go up to the canyon every day. So the vintage diesel equipment, the 2 vintage steam locomotives, and our fleet of over 43 passenger cars that we maintain in order to run our passengers up to the canyon each day. With each passenger car, we have a passenger service attendant.
The passenger service attendant has a wonderful opportunity to interact with our guests. They can expect to learn about the history of the train. They can expect to have some fun, enjoy the beautiful sights along the way. We also help them arrange the most perfect day up at the Grand Canyon.
My name is Jess Ledbetter. We are somewhere between Williams, Arizona and the south rim of the Grand Canyon. I started working on the train 2 years ago as a musician. So I come into the train cars and I'll do about a 15-minute show for people and try to just kind of bring the car together and get people excited for their trip.
Occasionally the Cataract Creek Gang does get past me and get on the train. That's quite a surprise when they do.
This is a train robbery.
Then I have to find them and arrest them and take them to jail. It's been an enjoyable almost 20 years chasing that Cataract Creek Gang.
Williams, Arizona is the gateway to the Grand Canyon, and Grand Canyon Railway is the lifeline in order to connect Williams with one of the 7 natural wonders of the world.
It's a great train ride. We have great people here working, and you're coming to the Grand Canyon. It's going to take your breath away.